but I got a blank space, baby, and I'll write your name.
New year, all year, no stopping the fire. Still fighting through the shit that made house and retire. Most of y'all only tough when you watching the wire, but start to perspire when your fingers on the table and I got the pliers. Should take them away. That's what these uncreative labels and haters will say. Cause I be ripping up the flows like a paper mache, giving out the free mix for people not able to pay. Hey yo, but touche, I'm never falling off like a Lupe. Star player, I ain't got time for Bobby Boucher's. I am here to stay, the leader of the new age. Investors with toothpaste, no money in my suitcase. I don't care what you say, if you don't like what I say, the sue me. I'm still dropping every other Tuesday. Flyer than a Blue Jay, sharper than Blu-ray, cooler than Cool J. I sweeter than some Kool-Aid. I got a hit list, I'll write your name. With this pen, rewrite the game. Me and y'all just not the same. I guess I should've won.